So many of you have asked how I came up with my unique packaging designs, and trust me, it wasn't as simple as clicking add to cart on a website. Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you how I made it all happen from scratch. Designing my packaging has been one of the most rewarding yet challenging parts of building Maha Cosmetics. Even before I could even think about production, I had to create everything from scratch. I started with mock-ups made with nothing but regular paper, a ruler, and some stick glue. I needed to get a sense of size, proportions, and how each package would look and feel in real life. These early designs weren't just random guesses, and in reality, they were carefully planned to fit my brand's motto, beauty meets your favorite treats. My main goal was to create packaging that stood out in an oversaturated market. So I spent hours hand measuring every piece to make sure everything fit perfectly, not too bulky, not too small, but just right and always eye-catching. Once the mock-ups were perfect, it was time to bring them to life with my graphic design skills. Now you might be thinking, why not just buy pre-made packaging off AliExpress or something? But no, this had to be 100% custom. The basic generic packaging out there just wouldn't do justice to my brand. And these mock-ups weren't just for fun, they were crucial. I used them to pitch my ideas to manufacturers, showing what I had envisioned. Without these early paper designs, none of what you see today would have been possible. I hope this quick video gave you a better understanding of how my products came to life. If you have any more questions for me about my brand, please do write them below because I love to address them. If you want to experience these one-of-a-kind designs for yourself, check out my website. But don't wait, because many of these unique products are going to be discontinued soon to make space for exciting new launches. Grab them now before they're gone. And I'll see you in the next video.